Here are top 10 of the worst foods for seniors. 1. White bread. Turns into sugar quickly, raises blood sugar, and causes crashes in energy. 2. Sugary drinks. Includes soda, fruit juice, and sweetened tea that weaken the immune system. 3. Processed meats, like ham, hot dogs, and sausages that cause inflammation and gut problems. 4. Fried foods, such as fries and fried chicken that increase bad cholesterol and slow digestion. 5. Packaged snacks, chips, cookies, and crackers full of unhealthy fats and added sugars. 6. Sweet breakfast cereals. Loaded with sugar and low in fiber, they spike and crash energy. 7. Artificial sweeteners. May confuse the body and affect gut bacteria and blood sugar. 8. Canned soups with high salt. Too much sodium raises blood pressure and strains the heart. 9. Frozen dinners, often packed with salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats that harm long-term health. 10. Pastries and cakes, high in sugar and trans fats that weaken the immune system and brain.